Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at SMCI stock. Let's do the price action analysis focusing just on SMCI. In my previous videos, as you know, I have been talking about SMCI while doing NVIDIA, but now we have time. I wanted to dedicate just a video for SMCI because the price action on SMCI is going through some choppiness every day. It's giving us a new price action. And this is where I want to go over how to trade these things. I mean, not all the time you have to take all the positions, and not all the times you have to take swing positions, and not all the time you have, well, day trading turns into swing if you want to, but I want to go over in this video what particular type of trade based on the price action that we are getting can be taken on SMCI. So we'll do all of that in this video. I'll go over the price action as usual, and let's jump right into it. Once I let you know, none of this is any financial advice and it's only for education purposes, guys. I'm just sharing here my opinion. Please go into whatever you want to do. Also, if you're interested in following along my dividend investing journey, please subscribe to my Junior Trader Dividend Investing channel. Link to this will be in the description of this video. And I just did a video today providing an update on my portfolio, which is in really great profit thanks to Tesla ETF as well that I have bought. And I'm in this video talking about should I sell now this Tesla ETF. If you want to know more about it and follow along in this journey of mine, please subscribe to this channel, check out the videos over here. And with that, let's jump back to SMCI and let's start talking about this thing, guys. All right, so what SMCI has been doing is whiplashing up and down, right? It's not giving any one particular direction. We would have a really good strong green candle with a pivot, right? And then the next day, a red flush. And then a buy candle, and then a green candle follow through with a, I said buy candle because there's a good wick down there. And then it's trying to go up. So it's really like being not staying in that direction, right? It's every time some Uno reversal is coming all the time, one day and another day. Now, when the market is getting, especially in case of SMCI, this choppy, don't do swing, okay? You don't, if the price action is not giving any direction for swing, just don't do it. Just do intraday trading. And SMCI right now is a candidate only for intraday trading. So let's talk about that. Now, on the daily interval, let's start off there. I have been talking about this blue box lately, especially above the level of 836. Now, above this, it's a long play, right? And below this, below 835 is a short play, but just not blindly a short play below that, because there were a couple of things I provided you yesterday in my video, and that was if we go to the hourly interval, and I talked about that this is where this pivot is forming, right? The trend line. So intraday, trade only this thing intraday because we have this overhead resistance of 200 hours moving average, and we also have these pivots from the downward channel, right? You can see these areas, right? And that's why I said, guys, just trade it intraday as long as this pivot holds intraday, because we have recently formed a bullish pivot. Just trade it intraday, higher highs, higher lows. And you can see today we just got back to down to that trend line area and got bought back up back into the blue box again. Easy. Not complicated, and even right now it's easy to trade. Don't think too much, just do intraday trading. You can have a stop loss below this upper moving trend line, right, from lower left bottom to the upper right corner. Just trade this trend line, have a stop loss on the other side, pullbacks on this as long as we stay above now 835 and this whatever cent that would be, and we stay into this trend line and find support there. It's still an intraday long play. Get out and away from it. Don't trade it long. If it breaks below 835, you can try short, but only if it breaks this trend line as well. Then you can try short with the break of trend line and the break of 835. Then it could be traded to the downside, but not before that. Okay, just take it day by day, guys. It's I'm telling you, it's not something you want to do swing right now. Okay, just do it intraday. So those are the things you are watching. It's not complicated to trade. It's still easy peasy. You just need to know the clarity on at these times what type of trades could be taken and what are the areas and price action to watch. All right, let's talk about not hourly, weekly interval. Guys, weekly interval is not telling us much. I would say weekly interval is indecisive. So yeah, you have to stay with the intraday play only right now on SMCI. I am seeing two things here. A lot of supply zone up here. Right up from here, this supply zone is just SMCI is not letting it go. Even that areas of these 972 area I was talking about, we got that, but then we sold off. And then we are also below 20 weeks moving average. But then at the same time, there's these higher pivots also forming. So on weekly interval, there is no one directional clarity. You have to trade it intraday only. All right. At least for a couple of days. Once we have some clarity across other intervals, then we can start building this out into swing or other type of plays. All right. Yeah, I want to show you the short volume data as well, how the short volume percent has been coming on this thing. So let's turn that on my indicator. If you need access to my tools, links in the description below of this video. All right, so SMCI, nothing much, nothing eye-popping on the short volume side right now. Nah, it's normal. Yeah, it's normal. No, nothing much to worry about on the short volume side. It's just decently, it's normal trading happening on this thing. All right. Cool. Okie dokie. Well, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. There is no specific news on SMCI. It's just NVIDIA always taking the show. NVIDIA is the spotlight for everything. And even here, you can see that. Okay, here we go. There's one thing. Super microcomputer stock leaves the Russell 2000. I read this a couple of days ago as well, yesterday, but not sure what they mean though. Okay, let's see. The major small cap stock index, the Russell 2000, is losing its savior, super microcomputer. Investors should prepare for the index to make its next move without super microcomputer. Russell 2000 now is barely up for the year so far, and a major reason the Russell is even in the green is super microcomputer. That company began the year with market capitalization of just 15 billion. All right, super microcomputer is leaving. Russell 2000. Do they go over why they're leaving? I'm not seeing that. Anyways, don't know the reason, but alright guys, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next videos, guys. Take care, bye.